Finally, we have made it. You know where we are, guys. The sun, the ocean, the boats, and the palm trees. And I am super excited about today and our journey from here on, because it's not going to be a 1 or 2 week vacation. We are going to be here for a very, very long time. I'm going to talk about everything, what I'm doing, our future plan, what work I'm doing, how we moved from Pune to Goa. You know, the bus broke down in the ghats and we were stuck in the ghat. We are going to talk about all that. But while I talk about that, I also want to show you a super place, a place that is so close to my heart. I love it. I love coming here every time because there are no people there. It's just absolute scenic beauty. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. We are going to talk a lot in this video. This gentleman here has an army of dogs. Look at the number of dogs he has here. Oh my god. And there's going to be a gang war that is going to break out. And Adrian and myself have maintained a distance. So the place that I'm talking about here, the beautiful place, is right there. If you see the hill, that side, show the hill, Adrian. If you see the hill, that side, it's across that. I can see 2 people fishing there. It's going to take a while because we have to walk far away, but then once we reach there, I promise you the view is going to be great. And this place, by the way, is the first place where we actually shot a YouTube video. It's not there anymore on our channel because you know it was the first video and it didn't do that well. I mean, it did well, but I wasn't that good in that video. But yes, and that was shot through a phone as well. But now we have a lovely camera which shows you the entire place. Just check this out, guys. Wow, this is what I'm here for. So yes, let me start talking about what is our plan. In Pune, I was working in digital marketing. I started off with in a company where I worked as an ad operations manager, and then was there for almost 2.5 years. And I was about to get promoted, but then it came with a cost. I had to work for like 7 days in a week, which I didn't want, because you know, what's the point of having all the money when you don't have balance in your life? So I'm right here choosing balance. And yes, it is risky because what I'm making right now is not as much as what I did, but if I work hard, obviously there's a lot of scope. So I'm handling a couple of clients for whom I'm handling the marketing. Besides that, you know, YouTube is also been a part of our life since 2.5 years. So yes, YouTube is on the cards as well. And I don't know, let's see what opportunities come up in the future, but it's mostly marketing and YouTube as of now. Wow, look at the trail. So the reason why I love Goa is you can go hiking to such places, and that's not it. Just look at the view from here, guys. It's not just hiking, but the sensational view that you get as well. Wow, this is like a trek. And this reminds me of the hill that we went in Pune. It was Adrian's first trek and she was so scared. Anyway, this is a very easy place. Some nice birds here. Oh, it's quite a walk. It's like around 35-40 minutes. But yeah, you better get some good shoes on. It helps you on your walk. And this place is incredible. So the mic's gone off. Maybe the audio might be a little up and down, but anyways, we are going to complete this vlog. So yes, talking about this place, the view is too good. I mean, not a lot of people know the place, and not a lot of people will come here because it involves quite a bit of walking. And in this video there's no food, but I promise you again, the view is going to be spectacular. So as I walk, Adrian, just show at the side what sort of view that we are getting. Okay, and if you see there in the distance, there are so many boats there. Come closer. So these are all the fishing boats that go out in the sea. Right now I saw many of them that caught a lot of mackerel. They're called bangdo here in Goa, in Konkani. Lot of mackerel. It's very cheap. You can buy fresh mackerel. This is the place, that side in fact, is where the Baga river meets the ocean. So yeah, you can get a lot of mackerel there. And because I have the ocean near our doorstep, of course we are going to go fishing soon. So I will be showing you some fishing videos as well. You can see these guys fishing there. But yes, let's get back to this spot later. And meanwhile, let me zoom out and show you the path. Adrian, thanks for helping. She has helped us with the camera work, but then you have to be extremely careful on this path because it's very unpredictable. There are a lot of rocks here, and yes, if you can see, we are getting close to the view, and this is the view that we have here. That's not it. There's some more coming ahead. Woo. Just love this place. Just love this place. They have preserved this so well, and you know, because it's hidden away from everyone, that's the reason why it looks neat and clean. I request each and every one of you who is visiting Goa, who is visiting any place in the world or India, in fact, please don't make it dirty, because eventually this is for us and our future generation. So you have to take the responsibility of preserving the place. Wow, that's the view that I was talking about. Besides marketing and YouTube, Adrian's family runs a small business. They have 3 rooms which they let out on rent. So in case if you're planning to visit Goa, or any of your friends are planning to visit Goa, do contact us. I'll leave the contact number here. Okay. And talking about our journey from Pune to Goa, in fact, let me walk there and take you right till there and tell you about what happened. So we had like 4 huge boxes, 4 cardboard boxes filled with stuff, filled with clothes and everything. And we had a huge suitcase full of clothes and 2 trolley bags, and besides that we also had 4 handbags. What happened is we took this bus called Ashray. Everything was good. The bus reached the spot almost half an hour before schedule, and late in the nights, I think it was around 2 or 3 in the night, the bus broke down in the ghats. I don't remember the name of the ghat. I guess it was Ameni.
Yeah, Ameni.
Ameni Ghat, yeah.
Ameni.
So the bus broke down there and we were stranded on the road and it was freezing. I don't know the temperature, I didn't check it.
Yeah, it's 9.
But no, not 9. 9 maybe was in Pune. Could have been like 10 or 11,
Yeah.
something around that. We didn't check that because there was no network there. And luckily, after a while, Adrian, show our viewers the view as well. So yeah, after a while, what happened is they eventually ended up calling another bus. We got into the other bus, and that's how we made it to Pune. Wow. So as I mentioned earlier, it's not just going to be 1 or 2 weeks vacation. We are going to be here for a long time, and in this span, I intend to show you the best restaurants in Goa, the best places, people, the food, obviously, the culture. And again, I want to thank our viewers from Pune, from Goa, from everywhere in India, and even the US and the UK, Canada. We've been watched from so many countries. And yes, I thought this was a very good opportunity to follow my passion, and because I just didn't find my vibe in a 9 to 5, never did. I thought this is something that I enjoy doing. It gives me energy. I'm up since 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm super excited about what I'm doing. So yes, I want to continue that, and thanks to your support, we've come this far, and I am positive that we will reach very, very far from here. It's just that the efforts that we need to put in. Alright, so this place is called Olawe, but it used to be called Tulum. What they've done is, I'll show you. So we walked this entire path here. It was very rugged, very patchy. It was very difficult, almost like a trek, but they made it so easy to get here. So I am guessing they do have tourists coming. Let's get a sneak peek into this place. So last time when I was here, I came with my friend Austin. Yeah, show them the place. So this is the only shack that is there here, and they have this beautiful beach view. So Austin and myself were seated right there at the back, and we had this beautiful view, and there was this gentleman fishing here caught such a huge red snapper. I mean, I think I was more excited than him. I went running from here till right here. Wow, what a feeling. I love fishing, if you know. So yes, many more videos coming up, adventurous videos. Last time we showed you videos of dolphins, of kayaking. Definitely we're going to go deep in the ocean and go fishing as well. I've already planned that. And in a few days, we will start showing you the best restaurants here in Goa. I love fish now. I was not a fish person. Yesterday I had mackerel after months. Maybe because we miss fish a lot in Pune. Fresh mackerel, fried. Wow, it just satisfied me so much because had it after a long time. So yes, lot of seafood videos coming up. I don't know the cuisine here. I've seen some Korean restaurants that have come up. So we are going to try and visit those Korean restaurants as well. Many of you guys have a question like where I'm heading next because it's always been confusing for so many of you guys. Even our family, thanks to them, they've been very supportive. They've understood the choices that I make. Yes, there's a lot of risk involved, but guys, it's not only about the destination, right? It's also about the destination and the journey. That's what I believe in. And I love visiting different places, meeting different people, experiencing different cultures and food. So there's no way in this world where I'm going to miss that, especially when you have one life. Yes, there's again, as I mentioned, lot of risk involved, but if you don't take the risk, you never know. 2.5 years ago, when we started our YouTube channel, the YouTube videos weren't that great. I mean, I didn't have a lot of people, lot of my friends saying that it is very, very bad. Luckily, I was quite good in front of the camera. I was never camera shy. I could speak confidently. So yes, it did help with that. But you know, as time goes on, you keep getting better. And if for any reason you are planning to start a YouTube channel, do let me know your questions in the comment. I will be very, very happy to help you. I am doing this since almost 3 years now. I can say that I am a little bit of an expert in this field, and I can certainly help you with that, because besides that I also have a digital marketing degree from Upgrad. So yes, I've studied this as well. I know how this works, and yes, I will certainly be glad to help you. So yes, that was a short tour that I wanted to take. Introducing ourselves, I'm Gavin and she's Adrian. You already know. In case you're new, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I should have done this earlier, but never mind. So yes, we are in Goa. It's exciting because it's not going to be a short vacation. Always wanted to do that. I love this place, and so does Adrian. We want to be close to nature. Where else can you find views like this? I mean, the ocean, this little trek, and this incredible little beach there. That's like a small private beach that you can have to yourself while you're there at the shack. And you know what's there behind that hill? Behind that hill somewhere is Anjuna. Maybe someday we can walk this hill and go that side, because you know, Adrian's godmother told me that back in those days they used to go walking from here till Anjuna. I want to do that as well. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very raw. I just went with the flow. Didn't know what to tell you guys. I wanted to tell you that what I'm doing here in Goa, what is our future plan. I think I've told you about everything. The risk factor involved in this, and what else? Yeah, that's it. So let's just go with the flow. Enjoy the ride. That's what life is all about. Ups and downs are always there. I mean, I have seen a lot of downs in this journey, more than ups. But the point is to never give up. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.